Hi, I'm Chris with NinjaTrader. In this video, we're going to walk through the difference between futures margin for day trading and overnight trading, why that distinction matters, and how to manage margin with confidence so you're not caught off guard. If you're trading futures, understanding margin isn't optional. Margin requirements can change significantly depending on how long you hold a position, and confusing intraday rules with overnight obligations is one of the fastest ways traders run into trouble. Let's start with the basics. A futures margin is a deposit you put up to control a futures contract. It's not a down payment like you'd see in stock investing. Instead, it's a performance bond designed to help cover potential losses. There are two key types of margin in futures trading. Initial margin is the amount required to open a position, and maintenance margin is the minimum balance your account must maintain to keep that position open. If your account balance falls below the maintenance margin, you may face a margin call, a request from your broker to add funds, or risk having your position liquidated. Now, where this becomes especially important is when we compare day trading margin to overnight margin. Before you place a trade, it's critical to understand that margin requirements can shift based on timing. Whether you're entering and exiting within the same session, or holding a position beyond the close, directly affects how much capital you need in your account. If you're evaluating a futures contract and asking how much cash you need, the answer depends on when you plan to exit. Day trading margin is generally lower because the risk window is limited to the active trading session, and traders are expected to close positions before the session ends. Overnight margin is typically much higher. When you hold a position after the session closes, you're exposed to risks you can't respond to in real time, including news events or price gaps that occur while markets are closed. This distinction is especially important for newer traders. A reduced day trade margin can disappear the moment a position is held past the session close. And if your account isn't funded for overnight requirements, that can lead to forced liquidation. Here's a quick example. Imagine you're trading a popular contract like the E-mini S&P 500. During the day, you may only need a fraction of the contract's full value in your account. But if you hold that same contract overnight, the exchange's full initial margin requirement applies, and that amount is often several times higher than the intraday rate. That's why brokers, including NinjaTrader, set firm cutoffs. To qualify for lower intraday margin, positions must be closed before the session ends. If they're not, the full overnight margin requirement takes effect. Using day trading margin can open the door to more active trading with less capital upfront, but it also comes with important considerations, such as increased risk. Understanding both the benefits and the risks can help you decide if this approach fits your trading style and risk tolerance. On the positive side, the lower capital requirement gives active traders more flexibility. With less capital posted per contract, traders can access the market with smaller account sizes and, if appropriate for their risk tolerance, use greater leverage with the increased risk. On the other hand, there are important limitations. Timing rules are strict. Positions must be closed before the end of day session, or the reduced margin no longer applies. There's also no overnight buffer. Holding a position after hours increases risk significantly and may require a much larger account balance. Day trading margin can give you more flexibility and access in the markets, but it requires discipline and awareness of session timing. Before using reduced margin, make sure you're clear on your broker's rules and comfortable managing positions within tighter windows. When you hold positions overnight, exchanges and brokers require more funds to cover the unknowns that can happen when markets are closed. Things like economic news, geopolitical events, and shifts in global markets. That higher margin requirement is designed to protect both the trader and the clearing system from sudden adverse moves. Margin requirements can shift quickly, especially around session transitions, so it's important to stay proactive. By building margin awareness into your trading routine, you can avoid unexpected calls and keep your strategy on track. Here are some tips to help you manage your capital more effectively and make informed decisions throughout the trading day. First, know the session cutoffs. Futures markets may trade nearly around the clock, but brokers define specific deadlines for day trading margin eligibility. In many cases, positions must be closed well before the formal session close to maintain reduced margin. Second, keep an eye on your available margin. Monitoring excess margin throughout the day, especially late in the session, helps you avoid drifting toward a margin call. Third, size positions with overnight risk in mind. If there's a chance you'll hold a position past the session close, base your sizing on overnight margin requirements, not just intraday levels. That reduces the risk of being forced out when requirements change. Effective margin management starts with preparation and awareness. By tracking session deadlines, monitoring your available capital, and planning for potential overnight exposure, you can trade more confidently and avoid preventable disruptions. At its core, margin is a risk management tool, not a free bet. Higher leverage can amplify gains, but it can just as quickly amplify losses. Treat margin requirements as part of your overall risk plan, not just a box to check before entering a trade. When you understand how day trading margin and overnight margin work, you put yourself in a better position to trade deliberately and avoid surprise margin calls. Reduced intraday margin can offer flexibility, but only when timing and risk are managed carefully. Overnight margins, while higher, help account for the realities of market risk outside active trading hours. Building margin awareness into your trading discipline helps you operate with clarity, control, and confidence in the futures markets.